I want to show you how to add an animated split screen in Premiere Pro. The first thing you need is two separate clips on your timeline, the original and then the one we want to transition to. Now choose where you want the split screen to begin, then go over to Effects, type in Crop and drag the effect on top of both clips. Now with your first clip selected, go over and create a keyframe for position and the left and right crop effects by clicking on the stopwatch icons. Move the timeline slider ahead 1 to 2 seconds and then change the left and right crop to 25%. Now use the positional X-axis to move the clip to the far right of the screen. This will give us the first part of our animation to create the split screen. Now with the first clip highlighted, go over to the first set of keyframes and then drag the second clip over top of it. At this point, what you want to do now is select the second clip and then click the stopwatch icon for position and the left and right crop. Then move the X-axis to the left until it just disappears and is no longer visible. Highlight the first clip again and move the timeline slider to the second set of keyframes we made earlier. This step is just for positioning of our transition to line up. Click on the second clip and then go and change the left and right crop to 25%, and then move the positional X-axis so that our clips are side by side with a nice little black line down the center. Now the final step is to smooth the transition. Select the last set of keyframes and go down to Temporal Interpolation and select Ease In. Then select the first set of keyframes and this time select Ease Out. Do this for the first and second clip. Anyway guys, I hope this video helped. See you in the next video.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.